YouTube, it's Erin and I am the handbag housewife, and I'm back today to do an unbagging. The box was sort of dirty. I'm not really sure how it got dusty because of the weather we've been having. I don't see a lot of dust flying up, but maybe it's because of where it originated that dirt got on the box. Anyhow, we are getting ready to go someplace warm here in a few days, and so if there are 2 or 3 days that you don't hear from me, that would be why. I would like to show you my outfit of the day, and this outfit has nothing to do with what's going on outside. Outside is freezing cold, and what I'm doing right now is packing, and so I figured I would show you a warm weather outfit of the day, and it is featuring a nice floral tank from my favorite t-shirt and tank place, Z Supply. And then I love Risen denim shorts. They're a little longer in a lot of cases, and I just think that's more flattering on a more mature woman like me. And then I'm featuring also the pillow tabby in the beautiful color ivory with my novelty strap with a nylon on it that is so adjustable, so much more than the normal novelty straps. Let me give you a close-up of this beauty. Isn't that so pretty together? And look, the ivory just matches perfectly. Anyhow, so that is the bag of the day. I didn't go anywhere where I got outside of my car today, so I figured I didn't need a genuine outfit of the day for the day. Now, as far as my unbagging goes, here it is. I don't know if you remember me telling you, but recently I've decided to let go of the Pillow Tabby 18, mainly because of a flap issue. I really feel like on my other Pillow Tabbies, the flap is relatively smooth, but on my silver one, it was kind of bumpy, wavy across the top. And I actually ordered 2 more to try to get a better one, and they were all that way. In fact, the 2 that I ordered were worse than the one that I had. So that one went back. I didn't want to try to sell it to somebody because I wasn't happy with it. So why would I pass it off to somebody else who might not be happy with it? It actually photographed better than it looked in person. I'll actually insert a picture of it right here. That is compared to the one that I got the last time I tried to find a replacement. Mine is on the left, and like I said, it was still new and I had not used it, hence the definition of new. So I was able to return that to the store that I purchased it from, but the one on the right was also from the store that I purchased the original from, and I just left it fully wrapped because I could tell right away that the flap was not what I wanted. Now here is the beauty that I think is going to really work for me. This is the Quiltie Coach camera bag, and it's about 7 3/4 inches across. It has about 2.5 inches depth, and it's about 5 3/4 inches tall. Now this one, I know I told you that the Pillow Tabby 18 was a winner for me, and it definitely was in terms of cuteness, but it just was not very functional either with how small it was. And I didn't really realize how dysfunctional it was until I got the Willis 18 and fell in love. And so that's why I decided to give this bag a shot. And I already can tell just by the depth of it and the fact that it doesn't have a center compartment that this bag is going to offer more space. All right, see there? It's wide open. It has all kinds of room inside compared to the Pillow Tabby 18. The inside has a pocket here and a pocket here. The sides are super soft. I thought they were fabric, but this is smooth leather. And then the bottom piece, oh my gosh, it is 100% leather lined. I thought it was fabric. It said it was fabric in the description. It is 100% leather lined. This little side pocket is also 100% leather lined. This bag was $116 on Saks. That is an insane deal. You can't even get a lot of Louis Vuitton bags 100% leather lined. All right, so there she is. Let me step back here. I really like it. And then look, The strap has these beautiful grommets on it. And the last thing I would like to do before I go is try it on with the chunky chain that Amy Elizabeth recommended. This is the chunky chain that Amy Elizabeth recommended for the Pillow Tabby 18. And I think that I'm telling you, this is where it's at. This chain length is 42 inches and is considered a chest pack. It might be better to have your shirt untucked if you're going to wear it like this. But look at how cute that is. It's almost like a little fanny pack, even though it's a camera bag. I'm going to end this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Signing out, the Handbag Housewife. Don't forget to like me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.